If waxing pain makes you hesitate, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple trick that experts swear by to reduce that pain by 80%? According to top estheticians, pain sensitivity during waxing can be reduced dramatically with this one technique. How the nervous system adapts to pain reduction. Why muscle tension affects pain perception. Have you ever dreaded waxing so much that you skipped it altogether? Let me know in the comments. Polls and quizzes. Which area do you find the most painful to wax? A bikini line. B. underarms. C. legs. D. face. Show the difference between someone waxing with tension, vs. using the relaxation trims. Use side-by-side comparisons. Brushing the wax pull vs. controlled breathing before removing it. But what if I told you that prepping your skin the wrong way can actually make waxing more painful? Keep watching to avoid that mistake. There's also a secret aftercare step that cuts down irritation by half. Find out in my next video. The one trick estheticians don't want you to know. This waxing hack is changing everything in 2025. If waxing hurts, you're probably doing this wrong. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one. Until next time, keep exploring your style.